Tailor Navodaya Vidyalaya, Karaikal, Pondicherry. I worked with, I'm part of the Google trainer, Google certified trainer for the past 3 years. I am carrying, being a trainer, I am now, sorry, having a introduction to all the new incomings of the Google. In that way, now we are going to see about classroom practice sets. What are they and how they are going to improve. Okay. 1 second, madam. Just I am presenting. Will it be okay? Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
I am going to present. Will it be okay, madam, for you?
Yes, surely, sir. I'll just stop it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, can you see my presentation?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay, right. Thank you, madam. So today we are going to see about what about Google Classroom and what is all about, and what are practice sets, a new addition to the Google Classroom. What do they mean and how it is different, how it is going to helpful. And we are going to have a demo on how to create the practice sets for science. And lastly, as madam said, we will have a question answer. Okay, madam, can you please post the poll?
Yes, sir, on it.
Okay, madam. So we are giving a small poll to know about how far we are having experience in the Google Workspace for education. Because everyone is using one way or other way. We are part of Google. We are using it in one way or other way. How far we are using it, just say we want to know. So for that, we are posting one poll in the chat box. You can please attend it. Madam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Okay, right. Thank you. Now we can see the results. Okay, right. So we have nearly total, out of total votes, around 50% of them are saying that they are using Google Classroom tools in their personal account without any collaboration. Okay, simply they are using some Google Docs or Sheets or nearly all the tools and without any collaboration. And only some very few of them are using Google Workspace for education. Okay, it's not an issue. We will go on. So this Google Classroom, as you can see, it is evolving in day by day basis. We are getting lot of improvements in the Google Classroom. Together, it can work with the Google Workspace for education. And you can see what are the things. It can reduce cost, it can improve security, and it can save educators time. And it is for all the people in the school environment. For teachers, it is reducing the educators' time and it is improving their working potential. For students, it is improving their learning and increasing their collaboration and developing their skills. For management, it is giving a better understanding about the class, what is going on inside the class and how it is developments are going on. And for IT admins, it is giving a overview of the system and protecting the data of the valuable data of the school. So for all the people, the Google Classroom is an integrated platform, and one of these things are practice sets, a newly added feature of the Google Classroom. Now, let me to please share my screen completely and show you what is the Google Classroom. Sorry, practice sets. Okay. Can you see the screen now, madam?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, right, but thank you. So this is how a practice set, what I have created for my class, a chemistry practice set. It is going to look like for a student. There are questions, multiple choice questions, and near to the question, students can see when he is clicking, he can see a hint also. And by clicking on show your work, the student can write the work, rough work, and show it to the teachers. So like that, you can create n number of questions, and this is how a practice set is going to work. Okay. A nice add-on is you can even type the mathematical formulas also in it. Okay. So this is how a practice set is going to work for you. It is a part of Google Classroom for, and it is available only for workspace plans, workspace for education plans, not for the personal users. So you can add it in the Google Classroom itself. Okay, you can create the practice sets in the Google Classroom itself. And this is what the review I got. Okay, I gave the practice sets and 14 students turned in and 6 assigned, something like that. It is coming in. We will see it after later. So this is about the practice sets. How they are useful for us, for the teachers. We can create formative assessment because it is interactive way of creating the test. Comparing with the Google Forms, I can say it is more and more and more sophisticated one because students' opportunities to conceptualize, reason, evaluate, and reflect on their answers. This is very valuable point. Students can boost their confidence while attending the test. When we are giving the summative assessments, just as children are answering and they are getting the grades. But this is something different. Children can answer, children can see the answer, whether their answer is correct or wrong. They can check the hints also. If the hint is correct, they can once again reattempt it. In that way, it will boost their confidence. And you can use it for creating the home assignments. After the class hours, they can do it in their home and attend the things. And you can create the hints also. We are going to see that how we are going to create the hints. And you can see the students' expressions, how they are doing. Now I am showing it how it is. So this is what is the practice set I have created for my class. Here I can see what and all, how the students attended, how many students attended the quiz, and see, you can see the clearly number one student. It is in a light green color means he attended 2 or 3 times to correct the correct answer. Dark green means he attended in the.
Hello. Hello. I think there is some connectivity issues. Let's just wait for him to join back.
Hello, madam. Extremely sorry. There was some internet connection loss.
Yes, sir. Now we can hear you. Yes.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Sorry,
We
sorry.
can
Extremely sorry,
start you.
madam. Yes,
It's
madam.
okay.
And from where I need to start? Can you please help me?
Can you please share your screen?
One second. Yes. So I explained about how to show the sample of practice sets to you. Okay, once again, I am doing it again. So this is chemistry practice set I have created for my children. And there are multiple questions, same as like Google Forms. You can
Sir,
create many type
excuse
of,
me, sir. Sorry.
yes,
Your deck is being presented. Your entire screen is not visible.
tab is presented. Okay, sorry. Is it visible now, madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is Google practice set I created for my children, chemistry practice set. There are many type of questions like single correct answer and multiple correct answer and short answer, long answer. All the types of answers are the questions you can create. And when children are attending, they can see the hints also as well. When they are clicking show a hint, they can get the hint also for solving the answer. When they are clicking, they will get to know whether the answer is correct or wrong. So they can check it. And if it is checking, it will show it is wrong, it is correct, it is try again. Students can try it multiple times. And students, when they are clicking show your work, they can show the work to the teachers, how they arrived the answer. This is one nice add-on in the practice sets. In Google Forms and all, children will simply give the answer and without any meaning we will evaluate. But now we will understand how the children arrived the answer. So they can type the answer, they can write using pencil or yeah, there is a on-screen pencil, something like that. Anything they can do. And so these are all the multiple type of questions. And this is about to go practice sets. How the children work will be presented. So this is what the response I got from my class. So 14 children turned in the answer and 6 children didn't turn. And if I review the work, here I am getting the beautiful feedback about the class results. So in the first you can see there is insight. Insight means how many students are attending it through multiple attempts. So these students attended through multiple times. So I am clicking one of the student and seeing why what happened to the students. Now I can see the work of the student also. Okay, something he is writing here, I can evaluate whether it is correct or wrong. Even though multiple times he attended, his method seems to be correct. Okay, it is very good. So same like that, for every question, I can see the work of the student here. Okay, so this is one nice add-on. And same like that, here you can get to know about how many children attended the question and how many ways. Say for example, if it is in light green color means the children get the correct answer after 2 or more attempts. If it is red color means the answer is incorrect, the children submitted as such and give up the test. If it is something like this means the children is still doing it, it is still in progress, he may do it today or tomorrow, something like that. So dark green means complete first attempt he answered. So like this way you will get a complete insight about the class. Okay, marks also there. Same like you can post the grade to the children. All the things are available in this. So this is the overview of the practice sets. Now, how to create the, what are the use cases? Now you can see there are multiple input options. You can give the questions in, say, for example, you can type the questions. There are formula editor is there. You can type the formulas and the children can answer it using by typing the work, or they can use the mouse stylus, or they can use the touch screen also to write the answers. and you are understanding the student's performance. You are getting some insight about the student performance, and you are getting to know about the expressions as well. Not only the understanding, you are getting to know about the expressions. When a student is just giving up the question, it is meaning that he is not clear about the concept, and so he don't want to attend the test, he is just giving up. And auto grading is available automatically, same like Google Forms, and you can share it and collaborate with other teachers, and you can reuse the things as much as time you want. Okay, one practice set you can create and you can use it n number of times. There is no restriction. You can edit it and reuse it as many times as you possible. Now, the important thing is how to create these practice sets. Now I am going to show you how we are creating the practice sets. So for that, what we are doing is we are going to the classroom, our Google Classroom, and here in the classwork, I am creating a new assignment or quiz assignment, whatsoever it may be, and I am giving some title for it. So chemistry assignment 2, and some instructions I am giving. Complete it within 10 minutes, something like that I am giving. Now, here one option is there available, practice sets. When I am clicking it, it will show you practice sets. So here whatsoever practice sets created by you is available. Already created practice sets are available. If it is not enough, you can create one new practice set also. So I am creating a new practice set here. So now I am giving some title for it. So say for example, electrochemistry practice sets, electrochemistry test. Now I am typing the question, same like Google form, I am typing the question. So say for example, what is the standard potential of hydrogen electrode? So I am typing now. It is coming up short answer. Even if you want, you can make it as paragraph, single set, multiple select. All those things you are available, you can select. So now I am leaving it as short answer. Now you can see here, it is showing the suggested answer. So that means if the answer is readily available, Google will show it to you. So I am taking it, okay, 0. Correct answer is 0. Okay. Now you can see in the bottom, skills are available. What are the necessary skills the children will get by learning this, by attending this question? So in the skills, you can type your own skill, or otherwise you can see the suggested skill here. So I am clicking on suggested skill. Calculate the standard reduction potential of redox reaction, it is showing. Okay, I will add. Otherwise, if it is required, I can type something like hydrogen electrode potential calculation, or calculating potential. Okay, calculating electrochemical potential, something like that. Calculate pH from H plus, so something like that it is showing up. If you want, you can select, or if you want, you can type your own skills as well. And some of the resources you can see here, some of the resources are automatically added. These resources will be shown up when the student is clicking on hint. Okay, when the student is clicking on hint, these resources will be shown up. In addition to it, if you want, you can add a resource also. You can add a hint by typing some words. So I am typing hint here. Standard cell is used for measuring potential of unknown electrode. Something like that I am typing now and saving it. So this will be a hint. In addition to that, I can, if I want, I can add some more hints also. I can even insert YouTube video also. All those things I can do it here. Same like that, I can add some new questions. And another one option is importing. Importing means I can import the questions from the PDF. This is the one of the excellent way available now, presently, recently added now. So what I am doing now, I have downloaded the NCRT textbook. So I am opening it now. Now it is screening. It will show you the part of the books where you want to take up the questions. So what I can do is, a very nice way is, I can select n number of questions together. No need of selecting, pasting single question. I can select n number of questions. Now you can see there are 3 questions available here. What I will do is, I will select this one first, and I will select this one second, and I will go to the next page. Here I will select one more question. So now I can import all the 3 questions together. So there is no need of working on single question. Now see, 4th question is added, 3rd question is added, 2nd question is added. You can type the answers alone and you can add the questions. That's all. So this is how we are creating the practice sets. Once it is completed, what we can do, we can just check it, try as student. Some answers I didn't type, okay, no problem, continue anyway. Now it will show you how it will appear to the student. So this is how the student's view will be. You can just go through it. And what are the students will see when they are clicking on hints, that also you can see. Standard is used for measuring potential of unknown electrode. The students will see that. And other those things, whatsoever things we have added as hint, it will be shown. Okay. So this is how then once it is completed, what you can do, you can just go back and you can give done editing. Now you can attach it with the classroom. Okay, now correct answers are not given, so it is showing that to type some correct answers for it. If it is completed, we can just add it to the Google Classroom and assign it to the students in the usual way. This is how the Google Classroom's practice sets it is working. Okay, practice sets, everything what I have shown is, once again I am recapitulating. So what I am doing now, I am going to create assignment in the first step. Then in the second step, I am choosing the practice sets by giving the title and the necessary instructions. And if it is existing, I can select it. If it is not there, I am creating a new practice sets. I am selecting the type of question and typing the correct answers. Okay, there are fractions that is, I didn't show it to you. Mathematical editor is available, that is formula editor is available even in the questions as well as in the answers. Okay, in the answers also you can use the formula editor, max typing is available. And you can skills, it will be automatically populated by looking at your question. You can select the necessary skills. And Resources also, it will be automatically, mostly it will be populated in terms of videos. If you want, you can add your own resource. And then when it is completed, you can finish the Unity. If you want, you can review it as a student. Then try a student, you can click on it and check it. And then finally, you can attach it to the Google Classroom. This is how practice sets are going to work. Now, Madam, can we, anyone, if you want to demonstrate again, some of you want to demonstrate again, you can please tell me. We can have it
Hi
again.
everyone, if you have any questions that you would like to ask, please feel free to do so right now. You can ask. We can have another demonstration if you require.
Because many of them joined in the last only.
Yes, Kavita ma'am,
Yes,
please go
madam.
ahead.
So my only doubt is in the Google Forms, when we add the answer key and if there is a slight difference of caps and smalls, the answer is rejected. Will that case happen over here?
No, it is there. There is a setting available here, madam. I will show it to you. Okay, when you are creating the practice sets, okay, when you are creating this type of practice sets, there is an option to not consider the, what to say, case, that is uppercase, lowercase. I will just show it to you, editing. Now I am editing again. Now in the settings available, okay, so I am clicking on settings now. Now there are two options. Okay, ignore capitalization. So Thursday, all these capital small letters will be ignored. And allow equivalent answers. That is one AI based thing. So say for example, 1.4 or 7 by 5 are same. X plus Y and Y plus X are same. So all those things it will take us correct. That you can do it.
That's great. I like
Okay,
this.
okay, madam. Any other things, madam?
So this option pops up from where we have to
In the
edit.
top settings, madam, in the top settings available.
Okay,
Practice set
okay,
testing. Okay, from there you will
okay.
get.
Got it. Got it.
Thank you.
So we have another question that can you show how to type different functions, fractions?
I will functions I will show you. Madam. Okay. So for that, what I am doing now, I am adding a new question here. Now I am going to type a formula in this. So for that, you can see there is some mark here. When I am say, typing, formula editor will come. So what I am doing now, say for example, complete the reaction. So CH, now if you are clicking on it, the keyboard will show up with all the necessary mathematical functions. So now for the lower case, I am typing this and selecting this. So now it is coming CH3 OH plus O. Now again for subscript, I am using this O2. Now for arrow mark, sorry. Okay, for arrow mark, it is available here. I am selecting the arrow mark. So sorry. Or I can simply type the arrow mark as well. Then I can ask the question mark, complete the reaction. If I am marking it as a single select answer, in answer also I can type the formula here. Okay, in answer also I can type the formula. So I am typing here now. Formula editor I am using. So all those things are available. So in question as well as in answer, you can use the formula editor. Is it okay, madam?
Yes, we can see your screen, sir. Bhumika ma'am?
Madam, sorry.
Yes, it's fine. Thank you.
Hmm.
I also wanted to know if when we are reviewing the student work, is it possible for us as teachers to annotate or write and give students certain kind of feedback individually for each question?
One second, madam. So you are asking that this is the student work and you want to annotate on the student work. Is
Yes,
it
or
correct, madam?
write. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, it is not possible here, madam.
Okay, thank you.
You cannot annotate on the student work.
Any more questions?
One last. So Savita Miss asked,
No problem, madam. No problem, madam. Yes.
she asked, and you mentioned that we can change the settings to ignore the capital, lowercase, and uppercase differences. But if it is a short answer question, students tend to use their own different kind of sentences, but still mean the same thing. So if I have,
No, it is not. No, it is not possible like that, madam. So what they want to know is, so say for example, I am selecting some paragraph question now. Okay, so say for example, one paragraph question, write 4 5 points about some this reaction. That will be a paragraph question. And in the paragraph question, students are free to write their own answer in their own sentence. And we cannot give that, see in the bottom itself, you will be able to grade the answer after the practice set is turned in. So that means it will be it will not be automatically graded. You need to manually evaluate it. There is no other way.
okay, got it. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Even one or two word answer, short answer, 1 or 2 words, that can be automatically graded. 1 or 2 words, that we can do it. Any other doubts, madam?
Okay, can we wrap this up then? If there are no more questions, can I get a thumbs up? Okay, great. Thank you so much. I am sharing the feedback form for this session. You can just quickly fill that form. And sir, can you share the presentation?
One second, madam. Yes.
The last slide.
Oh, sorry.
Next slide.
Okay, next steps. Okay. So you can clarify your doubts and you can fill the feedback form as well. You can register for the upcoming sessions. There are a lot of sessions are coming up. And you can connect with me using Facebook. My ID is srinivasan.raman.31. And at Twitter also, you can just connect with me at Kemi Raman.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
Thank you
madam.
everyone
Thank
for
you. Thank
joining
you very
in.
much.
Please don't forget to
Thank you.
fill the feedback form. I have already shared it and I'm just pinning it as well.
Okay, madam. Sure. Thank you very much.